I just realized that most of us don't know how to post shorts the right way. We don't know how to post shorts in a way that will make it go viral. I'll be making a screen record and I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to post shorts the right way. What the features you're supposed to make use of when you are uploading shorts to make the shorts go viral. I'll be teaching you all of these things in this tutorial and I'll be taking you through the process. I'll be making a screen record. I'll be uploading shorts and I'll screen record it for you guys to see. My name is Odunato saying in case this is the first time you're coming across my video, and you're welcome, and to all my returning subscribers, you're also welcome. You know, shorts have been very useful, and there's a way you post shorts that to get you a lot of views, and from there you can get a lot of subscribers. Let's move right to the screen record. Majorly, there are two ways to upload shorts. I need you to know this. You can either pre-record your video, then you upload it as shorts, or you just come on YouTube and then you click on shorts and you start recording your video there and there. Either ways, there are special features that you can use that will make these shorts to go viral. So moving to my screen record, and I'll be uploading on my other channel. I'll be using my other channel for this tutorial. So now I'm inside my YouTube and I want to upload a short, and I'll be using a video that I already recorded. I already picked the video that I want and I'm leaving it to process. It will process for like a few seconds. Then after processing, the next thing is to pick whatever sound you want to use. So I'm picking this sound of no, it can never go back. Oh. It's already too late though. So I picked that sound already. Then I'll be writing on my short. A lot of people don't even know this. You can write whatever you want on your short, like a caption that is catchy, so that will be like the first thing whoever wants to watch your short will see. So for me, I'm writing how to cut and sew a peplum top with a 360-degree flay on this short. So once you see this short, even before opening it, you will see this title, and this used to like bring people to your content. Whoever is interested in a topic like this will want to click on the short. So you can zoom in, zoom out, whatever size you want. You can slant it, you can leave it straight. You can place it at any position on your content, but I'll be placing mine up. Then after this, if the video you are bringing to YouTube has a sound, you can mute it at this point, but mine doesn't have sound, so there's no need muting. Then you click on next and wait for it to process for a few seconds. The next thing is now to start writing captions and titles on your short. So I'll be writing whatever caption or whatever title aside the one I've written on the short itself. I'll still be writing another one like a topic, and this is the point where I'll be using all the hashtags that I want to use. I'll be writing it alongside the caption that I want to write. Then you can see that on my screen I have options like public, I have options like location, I have options like select audience, I have related videos. All these options, they are very useful, and you should be using them when you're uploading a short because they are very useful. So I added my title, how to cut and sew a peplum top. I picked all the hashtags that I want. Make sure that the hashtags that you are using are hashtags that are inside, that they are readily available inside YouTube. Don't just generate one hashtag from somewhere that is not inside YouTube. And don't use hashtag that is not related to your content. You cannot be uploading how to make hair and then you're using hashtag of market vlog, or you're using hashtag of vlogs, or you're using hashtag of spend the day with me, of which what you are doing is how to make hair. Then the next is this option of public, private, unlisted. You make your video private. Please always upload your video as private first, whether long form or short form. Make sure it's on private. Then I clicked on this paid ad promotion. Since there's no paid ad promotion in my short, I clicked on no. Then I clicked on related video. This related video is, you can put whatever video you want, maybe long or short form. This related video takes people directly to the content. Like once they click on that video you've put in the related video, it just takes them straight to the video. It's like advertising a video inside your short, you understand. Then the next I did was to pick a thumbnail. I picked thumbnail for my short and then I uploaded it. After uploading, you leave it to process for a few seconds. Then after, remember that we are uploading our shorts to private. It's not on public yet. Please don't ever forget. Don't upload your content to public there and there, like instantly. Make sure it's on private first, whether your long form content or your short form content. It's only when you want to upload posts like images or pictures that you can just upload straight like that. Then after it has successfully uploaded, you will click on these three dots. Then you will click on edit. Then you will scroll down and click on this place that there is add tags. This add tags is an avenue for you to put related content that are related to your content. You can see that this my short is about how to cut and sew a peplum blouse. And then I'm writing how to cut and sew a blouse cutting and sewing tutorial. You just write every topic that is searchable, that you know that people are searching for, that are related to the shorts that you have uploaded. You have the avenue to write them under this add tag. If you've uploaded your video as public from the onset, you will not have access to this feature. And this feature, you can either do all this editing inside your YouTube, or you go to your YouTube studio, either the app or the Chrome version. But I'm doing mine inside my YouTube there and then. So you had all these searchable topics. These are not hashtags. These are topics that you know that are related to your content. What I do is I go to my YouTube studio, I check the topics that YouTube is suggesting for me. Is those topics that I always insert here, because most times those topics are always related to whatever short, like the content of the short that I'm uploading. Then after you've inserted all these tags, you will now come back and make your video public. Then you click on next and upload. This is the best way to upload your shorts. Using this method, you succeeded in adding your thumbnail, you added hashtags, you added related content, like content that are related to your content. You've been able to use all these features that will make your videos go viral. Then I went back to my shorts and then I saw that my video has been uploaded. There is no way you will upload your shorts this way that it will not get views, I'm telling you. And always use the right hashtags. Always use hashtags that are related to your shorts. Then always use the right tags, like those searchable topics. Always use the ones that are related to your shorts. And that is it for this tutorial. If you want to be seeing content that are useful, like YouTube growth content like this, you should subscribe to this channel. And don't just subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first that will be notified when next I upload a new video on this channel. Please give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can help suggest my content to the right audience. If you have any question, the comment section below is always open to welcome your questions. And have you seen any of these videos that are currently showing on your screen? If you've not watched any of them, you should click on one, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.